This message was meant to find you, and we are going to jump right in and see what the cards have to say to you. In preparation for this reading, I'd like to ask you to find a comfortable place in your home or wherever you are. Make sure that you're going to be able to watch this video undistracted, and make sure that you're comfortable, make sure that you're safe, and let's dive in. There are so many things that the cards would like to tell you, but we also need to know what it is that you've come to this reading with. What's your internal state? So first, I'd like to ask you to turn your attention inward and notice a color. What color is it that you're seeing now? That's the color representing your current state of mind and energy. Feel free to share it in the comments if you are not too drowsy to make a comment. What color you are seeing here. And so we're going to see, with the help of the cards, how your internal state is at the moment, because everything is built upon that. Everything comes from that internal state, that energy that exists within you. Let's see what the cards are picking up on. And obviously everyone who's coming here is coming here with different types of energy, but we're looking for the common denominator here. Let me just grab the opportunity to tell you that you can book personal readings with me that are very different than this, because they are custom made, tailored to your situation, your needs. So if you're interested in that, check out my website below. Okay, so your energy. Oh, the King of Cups. What a lovely, lovely, lovely card. So this is telling me that you've come here to this video with a relatively high level of knowledge of the self and of your own emotions and the emotions of other people. There's a logic to how our feelings work. And this is not logic in a traditional sense, but there are still patterns that you can notice, patterns and rules that you can learn to understand. And the King of Cups represents the highest level of expertise when it comes to the dynamics and the mechanism of emotions. So you've come to this reading with an already high understanding of what you're feeling, why you're feeling what you're feeling, and how to manage those feelings. So that's very good. But still, you have some questions, and we're going to see what the message is that you've come here for. So I recommend that you keep breathing slowly, deeply in and out, You may close your eyes as well if you want. It's up to you. Whatever feels comfortable. And we're looking for the card that's going to give you the message that you've come for. A message that will help further clarify what is going on with you. Oh, here we go. Another court card from the Cups suit. So this is all water today, all very emotional. So you're very sensitive, very empathetic, and very much tuned into your own feelings now, and that's very good. And so the message is, with the Page of Cups, to recognize that even though you have this very high level of understanding of how people work and how you work, have a beginner's mindset nevertheless. Don't assume. And I would like you to now think about perhaps a situation in your life that is somewhat conflicting, where you're kind of puzzled about the feelings that are involved, whether on your end or other people's end who are involved in this. I'd like you to think about that situation now, bring it to your conscious mind, let it also occupy your subconscious as we're speaking. And I'd like you to ask yourself whether you've made some assumptions and judgments about the situation that might have come from a sense of overconfidence about your ability to tell what people are feeling and where they're coming from. Is it possible that you have misjudged the situation? And if so, how can you correct your path right now? We're going to see what you need to do in order to self-correct. You haven't done anything wrong. Don't worry, it's just that maybe you have fallen into a habitual pattern of following your expertise and your routine when it comes to navigating other people's feelings and your own feelings as well. And the Page of Cups is asking you to go back to the drawing board and to try and start with a blank slate. Now, how do you do that? How do you have fresh eyes and fresh perspectives on this situation? Let's see. Let's find out. All right, here we go. And that's the hierophant. Okay. So, the cards are definitely pushing you in the direction of humility here, without negating or denying the high level of expertise that you're coming to this situation with. The cards are asking you to trust the authority of the hierophant. The hierophant is a major arcana card, and it represents all kinds of institutions, organizations, schools of thought, structured learning, structured transmission of information, and conservation of information, which have been passed down through generations. And when you have a very lively and real understanding of how people work, just like the King of Cups has, it's easy to think that you can roll with the punches all the time and you can figure it out, and you're just gonna wing it. But the Hierophant here is suggesting to me that in this situation it's better to be careful and not try to improvise, not try to base your decisions on your personal knowledge and understanding only. It's time to consult someone who's higher on the hierarchy, someone who represents authority that you accept, someone who possesses the depth of knowledge that is not yet accessible to you, that could really help you salvage the situation and improve it in a serious way. So the cards are saying it is more important to abandon your ego in this situation and to ask for help from the Hierophant, even if normally you don't seek the help of the Hierophant, or if you're not even very inclined to follow whatever the Hierophant is proposing. Now is one of those times where it's better to be safe than sorry. Your own judgment might be clouded by your personal intuitive database that is a very valuable one. So we're not saying that you should disbelieve your own self completely, but augmenting it with the Hierophant's wisdom is the best way to go. So I hope that you enjoy this reading. I hope that it was useful. Thank you for watching. Feel free to subscribe to my channel, comment, send me a message, take a look at my website. See you next time.